Hello guys, welcome to Code Enzyme. And has this ever happened to you that in one contest your rating goes up, and in the second contest it goes very much down, and the third it goes up again, but not that much. So overall you are not progressing anywhere, and in the long run your rating is going down eventually. And if that is the case with you, then it might be the time where you learn some new concepts. And for that, today in this video I will share 5 competitive programming resources that I've used in my journey so far. And before starting the video, I would like you to hit that like and subscribe button. And so let's get started. So let's start with the number 5 resource, that is YouTube. And YouTube is like a goldmine for the beginner competitive programmers. You can easily search for, and like there are so many creators out there that provide content solutions, discussions, algorithmic explanations, and insights into data structures. Like it is an ideal starting point for the beginner competitive programmers. And some of my favorite YouTube channels are Okay, now let's talk about blog post. While YouTube is fantastic, its limitations become apparent as you advance. Many advanced topics lack video explanations, and even if these videos are out there, due to the less number of people viewing these videos, the YouTube search algorithm will not rank them in the top of your list when you search them. And so that makes it very challenging to find these videos. That's where blog posts shine, and here are some of the blogs that I follow. First is the CP algorithm, and it is one of the best competitive programming blogs out there. But this is a work in progress, and every now and then new blog posts are added in this. It has covered various topics from beginner to advanced level, and you will find explanation with sample code here that makes it very easy to understand. And next is the CodeChef Discuss. CodeChef has its separate blog, and after every contest, the editorial of the contest are posted here. No, you do not need to buy a CodeChef Pro for the editorials. It is free on this blog. Similarly, we also have a blog for code forces. The community is really great here. Like almost on every blog you can, I see comments. People are interactive here. And I don't think I need to say much about the lead code blog. I think most of you are very familiar with it. So let's see the next resource. Let's talk about the third resource, that is the online courses. Now blogs are really great, but without a structured pattern, you may encounter challenges in understanding them. Now these online courses provide you with that structure and ensure that you grasp the prerequisites before diving into advanced concepts. I personally have never taken any online course on competitive programming, and I also feel that there is no need to take such courses when there is so much resource on the internet for free, especially after the next 2 resources which I will share. But if you really like video explanations, you can go for these. And in this video I'm going to share 2 courses which are popular in my college, and I can personally assure you that this video is not sponsored by them. First is the Competitive Programming Essentials by Coding Minutes. As you can see, it is quite affordable, and it covers various important topics for competitive programming, and I assure you that once you buy it you will not regret it. My friend has bought it and he is quite happy with it. And the second is Priyansh Agarwal's TLA Eliminator course. It also provides you with the live classes and post-contest discussions, and whose recordings are uploaded on the TLA Eliminator YouTube channel. You can check it out. Let's see the next resource. Let's talk about the fourth resource, that is the USSEO Guide website. And instead of taking online courses, if you really like reading blogs, then this is the website for you. This website provides you with a structure that you can follow for learning. You can select your category like general, bronze, silver, and so on, and you can start reading the blogs. And as you can see, this website provides you with a roadmap, and you can which you can easily follow. It takes you from beginner level to really advanced level. It also shows the frequency with which this concept has appeared in the recent contests. It provides you with textual explanations and sample codes for better understanding. And this is actually a work in progress. So it might happen that for some of the advanced concept, the section is not complete yet, but in the near future it will be completed. In my opinion, this is one of the best competitive programming resources out on the internet. So let's see the next one. Let's talk about the last resource, that is the CSES problem set and the handbook. In my opinion, CSES is the epitome of the competitive programming resources. This is a problem set of 300 questions, and having solved more than 200 questions, I can say that even red coders can learn a thing or two from this problem set. The skills acquired here are simply unparalleled. However, it's not a walk in the park. Resources of the solutions are scarce, and making it a true challenge of your problem solving abilities. I recommend coding in Java for some extra challenge because the execution speed is slowest for Java. And you can actually hack into other solutions here by simply clicking the hacking button and see their code. And you can also download the test cases and run it locally if you want. The handbook is also written by the writers of the CSS problem set, and hence it contains most of the solutions to the CSS problem set. The book is really small, and if you have actually completed it once, you can read the whole book in a day. And the book explains many of the advanced complex topics in very simple words with mathematical proofs. And there you have it. These are the 5 resources that I've used so far, and I hope they help you as much as they have helped me. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.